Um, hey Lucy, this is my second shout out video. Um, but I'm just doing people because I'm bored of the right now. Um, shout out to Leilani. You got my name though. You got mad today. You can turn up when you want to. I can just like slow, like real nigga shit. But yeah, shout out to Leilani. Um, shout out to Kagan. Um, I'm your flow girl, I guess you can call me. We somewhat cool, we don't talk no more, even though some shit, you know, like this. They hit me up sometime. Um, shout out to Tanisha, I think that's her name. These are my best out, but like, I never leave your names are like now. Um, so yeah, but you cool, and you just got man girly swag, so yeah. Um, shout out to Laisha. She is my cousin, like to death. Yo, we was wild in Miss Cowan class. No lie, no lie. Um, I can rap about that girl. Shout out to Talia. Even though we don't talk no more, he's still my twin. Talia and Talia. Yep. Um, shout out to Priceless Sammy. I don't really know you, but like, you seem cool. So hit me up sometime. I don't know if you can hear me, so shout out to Jada. I had you in first, second, and third period, and we were always wilding. You got mad swag too, and you mad cool. Um, shout out to Jillian, you're my best friend. Happy almost anniversary to you and your boyfriend, 7, 13, 12. I wish y'all the best. Um, shout out to Shakala. Damn, he my nigga up late. Even though you call him so shit, he's my nigga like for real. Shout out. Shout out to shout to nobody. No, shout out to Tamia, best friend, my retard. Always be around this kind of class. That time I failed in the hallway when they got in trouble. Shake my head. But yeah. So yeah, now I'm bored, so I'm just gonna listen to my song. I'm just gonna blast for like 3 minutes. So yeah. So this is Facebook.
I like a clean kitchen.
I don't do any cleaning. I make dirt.
Ladies, it's your song, so as soon as this come out, you should get out on the floor, go and get your sexy out. If you know that you better than a new girl daddy out, go ahead and tell it out. You gon' make me when I'm down. Ayo, Weasley, let me show you how to do a singing bitch freeze me. You was Byron, you're the one on Peachtree. I was with Dimitri. See you in the loving hip hop men Beasley. Fuck these petty niggas is a bitch, my lord. If I say it on wax, every bitch follow. If I'm slipping in the club, mix follow. I got a big fat ass, big dick follow. Hit him with the back shot, hit him with the ass shot. Look into the things and I hit him with the cash shot. I do a big, I hit him with the cap lock. I'm gonna ball, I hit him with the mascot. No, I never been there, but I like the big cop. Big fat bitties when they hanging out my tank top. You wanna play me? You niggas tryna shade me, but your bitch at home tryna play me. I'm the MVS baby. Me fuck you and your lady. But you cause you shady. Now which bitch won it? Cause that bitch did it. I ain't you sick, bitch. Don't fucking I just went through a breakup. It's okay, I got my cake up.
I'm out.
My hair put on some makeup.